Hello everyone, this is Pauline Angel, URK20CS1015 from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Karunya. In this video, I'm going to explain how to design a deployment diagram for a particular software engineering app. So, in software engineering, we have different kinds of diagrams. So, one of them is deployment diagram. So, to design any kind of application or any kind of product, we have to have this diagram. So, this deployment diagram gives us different details, like different kinds of uh, databases we are going to use for the particular application and what is inside which server and all. So for this particular deployment diagram, this is deployment diagram for an online application server, application like online purchasing for pet communication. So for pet products, I am going to create an online shopping site. So for this, I have designed a deployment diagram. So let me explain this one by one. So the first, I have given a node. This is called a node. So this node will be containing the information like what kind of server or the basic main application that we are using. So the main application in this node is the online application server system. So in this server system, it is going to have user servers or what kind of users it is going to have. And also this server system is going to take a component for customer support. So the basic application of server system, the main server is containing these two components. This is called an object. So this object is nothing but it is defining what kind of server it is going to take. So it is going to provide user server and also customer support. It is directly connected with this main node. So I have given this component inside this main node. In this main node, I have given another node which is user database. So in this user database, it is going to have login credentials and customer component, service provider component, and job applicant component. So let me explain this. So user database is inside this server database. So this server is going to have these databases, which are customer database, service provider database, and job applicant database. So these are independent users, different users. We can have many other different users also, but for main main users, I have given customer, service provider, and job applicant. So all these three types of users must have login details, like they have to create different kinds of profiles for them. So all these profiles are stored in this login credentials. So whenever a customer gives data about his profile, this node is going to take, and this since as if you can see, this node is placed inside this main node. So all this login details are connected with this main application, main server system. So and also it is providing different kinds of components like customer component, service provider, and job applicant. So I have this particular node, which is the second node inside the main component, which is inside this main component. This user database node is connected with different other nodes here, the like order details, communication, and account details. So whenever a customer or a user buys something, then the particular uh, item or particular purchase will be directed to this order details. So when he orders something, this order details component or order details node is going to get activated, and inside that I have given a component like item purchase. So he can purchase items here, and then it after purchasing, it is also have to pay, the user has to pay money for that particular order. So that is connected with this account details node. So account details has two components, it is payment and transaction status. So payment will be done, and transaction status, how much far the delivery is being done, and all these things will be in this account details node. And then apart from all this purchasing, we have another feature like communication, so that people or the users who are using this can communicate with each other. So this communication also has two objects, which are private and public. So the messages which the which the user wants to send, he can send it as a private message or a public message. So this is going to connect with this particular communication node. So this is how we design a deployment diagram, and particularly I have designed this for an online shopping application for pets. So hope you understood this particular diagram well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.